Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, in the previous video, we have solved example number 1 to 5. In this video, we'll solve example number 6 to 9, practice set 1.3 from the chapter Similarity. Example number 6. In trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side DC, diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC is equal to 6, OB is equal to 15, we have to find OD. Now, here as line AB is parallel to CD and AC is the transversal, therefore angle DCA is congruent to angle BAC. These are two alternate angles, so alternate angles are congruent, therefore angle DCA is congruent to angle BAC. Alternate angles, that is, this angle is DCO is congruent to BAO, so DCO is congruent to BAO, number 1. Now in triangle COD and triangle AOB these two triangles, angle DCO is congruent to angle BAO. From statement number 1 we have proved that DCO is congruent to BAO. Then angle COD is congruent to angle AOB. Angle COD is congruent to angle AOB, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. Therefore triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB by AA test of similarity, angle test of similarity. Therefore the corresponding angle sides are in proportion. Therefore CO upon AO is equal to OD upon OB is equal to CD upon AB. That is, corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. Now here the length of side CD, BO and OD is asked. So we consider these two ratios. Therefore OD, you have to find OD upon OB. OB is given as 15, which is equal to CD. OB is 15, CD is 6 and AB is 20. So 6 upon AB 20. Therefore cross multiply OD into 20 is equal to 6 into 15. Therefore OD is equal to 6 into 15 upon 20. Here 5 3s are 50, 5 4s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, that is 3 3s are 9 upon 2, 2 1s are 2, 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So length OD is equal to 4.5 units. 7th example, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line DE is intersect ray AB at point T. Prove that DE into BE is equal to CE into T. Now let us consider quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram where opposite sides of the quadrilateral parallelograms are parallel. So AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Now also here side AT is parallel to side DC since A dash B dash T, and line DT, segment DT is transversal, hence the alternate angles, angle ATD, this angle ATD is congruent to angle CDT. Alternate angles are congruent, angle ADT is congruent to angle CDT, that is this angle is angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE. Angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE. Statement number 1, that is A dash, B dash T and T dash E dash D. Now let us consider these two triangles in triangle BET and triangle CDE. So let us consider in triangle BET and triangle CED. In these two triangles, angle BTE is congruent to angle CDE. That is from first alternate angles from first CDE. Now in this triangle, angle BET is congruent to angle CED. These are vertically opposite angles. So angle BET is congruent to angle CED. That is vertically opposite angles are congruent. Now here two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of the other triangle. Though these two triangles are similar, therefore triangle BET is similar to triangle CED by angle test, AA test of similarity. They are congruent by AA test of similarity. Therefore corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore BE upon CE is equal to ET upon ED is equal to BT upon CD. That is corresponding side of similar triangle are in proportion. Now here requirement is DE into B is equal to CE into T. So DE into, so these two ratios will do cross multiplication. So BE into ED is equal to TE into CE. That is BE the required BE into DE is equal to CE into TE. We have proved it. An example. In the given figure, segment AC and BD intersect at point P and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. We have to prove that triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP. So let us consider here in triangle ABP and triangle CDP, ratio is given equal. Corresponding sides AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, it is given, and angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. It is, these are vertically opposite angle. So these two triangles are similar by ratio, two ratios and including side. So side, angle and side test. So let us write down the solution. So in triangle ABP and triangle CDP, in these two triangles, it is given that AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. This is given. Corresponding sides are in proportion, two ratios are equal, and here angle APB is congruent to angle CPD. Angle APB is congruent to angle CPD, that is vertically opposite angle. Therefore triangle ABP is similar to triangle CDP by side angle side test of similarity. Test of similarity. Ninth example, in the given figure, in triangle ABC, point D is on side BC such that angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. You have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now here in triangle ABC, angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC is given. So let us consider this triangle, triangle ABC and triangle ADC, triangle BAC and triangle ADC. In triangle BAC and triangle ADC. In this triangle, angle BAC is congruent to angle ADC, which is given. This is given. Triangle BAC is congruent to triangle ADC. It is given. Now this angle C is there in big triangle ABC as well as triangle ADC. So angle BCA is congruent to angle ACD, which is common angle. Angle BCA is congruent to angle DCA, that is common angle in both the triangle. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC by angle AA test, that is angle test of similarity, angle test of similarity. Therefore, the corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in proportion. Therefore, BA upon AD is equal to AC upon DC is equal to BC upon AC. That is corresponding side of similar triangle are in proportion. Now we will consider this two ratio. The AC cross multiply here. AC into AC is equal to BC into DC. That is AC square is equal to BC into DC. That is AC can be written as CA square is equal to CB into CD. Just exchanging the vertex of the sides, we get CA square is equal to CB into CD. Hence we have proved it.